Welcome back, everyone. So if you're watching this video, you're interested in learning about how to do a audio recording and a discussion post. Um, so at this point, you've completed task 1 and you have moved on to task 2, where you need to go and create a discussion post. So if you go back into the course, you will see underneath the case study on vaccinations and values, you'll see this link to group lists. You need to open that link. And when you do, you'll see this page. There we go. And you'll just look through here to find your name and then the group you're in. So, group A, B, C, and so on. Whoops, that was a little too far. A lot too far. There we go. So A, B, C, D, or E. So pick your group. There's going to be 4 people in each group. Okay. Once you've found your group, you're going to go out to the group discussions and find your group. So let's say I was in group C. Okay. I would open group C and I would click on write a comment. Okay. Now I would begin by typing who I was saving. Nurse, mother, whatever, whoever I wanted to save. Okay. So let's say I wanted to save the nurse. He or she, I might think I want to save them because they can provide services. The mother, because she's might be pregnant, and so then I'm saving too. Whatever. I've got my reasoning. You don't need to type your reasoning out. Instead, what I would like you to do is go down here and you see the little audio video recording. If you click on that, it's going to choose a recording type. Now, if you click audio and video, it will record your screen, so you'll see you talking. The problem is that can take a while to upload. If you'd like it to go a little faster, and really all you need to do for this one is record audio. So if you click record audio, it'll ask you if you have permission. You'll click start recording, and it will begin to record what you are saying. So at this point, you describe your reasoning. I would like to save the nurse because I think the nurse, and you just go through why, explain your reasoning and the values. So I'm saving the nurse because of the services she can provide. I'm saving the mother because she's going to have a child and I value family, whatever. Okay. When you're done, you click stop recording. Okay. And then it's going to upload it. And that might take a few seconds, and it'll ask if you want to insert the recording. Insert it, and then your audio recording is in there. And as you go through and look at the other people in your group's posts, once they're all done posting it after Wednesday at 9, you will or maybe that's Thursday at 9. Anyway, after the due date, you will click on and listen to their reasoning. And that way you can decide in what ways your values do and don't conflict, and you can make your response. When you make your response, you will just click reply and then follow the same process. You can do an audio recording of why you disagree with that statement. Or you could type out your answer, but it needs to be a complete description if you don't want to do an audio recording. If you have questions about how to do audio recordings, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope this activity goes well for you.